Santa got his job, written by Stephen Krinsky, retold by Zain 205. There was a man named Santa Claus that wanted a job. Santa's first job was cleaning chimneys, but the other men said that he's not dirty. Santa worked at the night diner, but Santa ate the people's food. Santa worked at the zoo, and the reindeers cheer him up. Santa and the reindeers work at the circus, but the ringmaster wanted him to look frightened. Elves invited Santa and reindeer to the workshop. The elves hired Santa. Santa used polar bears to deliver the toys. The polar bears crashed in the water. The reindeers saved the polar bears. Will Santa be ready to fly? Read the story.